Atlas Development and Support Services has become the first company to cross-list its shares on the Nairobi Securities Exchange and the London Stock Exchange. Atlas has listed the 39 million shares on the growth enterprise market segment following a successful private placement exercise that saw the firm raise 450 million shillings from Kenyan investors. KTN's Charles Gitonga has more on this story.
The growth enterprise market segment of the NSE has registered significant growth in the last 3 months by listing 3 companies in that period. The latest is Atlas Development, which now joins the likes of Home Africa, Flame Tree Group, and Kuritu Ventures.
This is our 4th listing on the GEMS market. This is our 3rd listing in the last 3 months.
Atlas has cross-listed 39 million shares on the NSE at 11 shillings and 50 cents, a huge discount compared to the 8 pounds and 13 pence, or about 1,154 shillings that the firm's shares were trading today at the London Stock Exchange. The listing on the NSE gives the Kenyan business an initial capitalization of 450 million shillings.
The price of 11.5 Kenyan shillings, you might be interested to know, is at a discount to the current London trading price, due to recent upward movements in Atlas's share price, which offers an initial potential upside to local investors here in Kenya.
Its listing in both London and Nairobi gives Kenyan investors a unique opportunity to participate in the global stock market and also invest in the natural resources sector.
This dual listing is especially important to Kenya as it gives access to fresh pools of capital and increased liquidity, which is generated from having greater access to investors from different global markets.
The firm has interest in the logistics, infrastructure and oil and gas sectors and has invested 1.4 billion shillings in Kenya over the last 12 months. It has plans to invest about 4.5 billion shillings over the next 5 years with a keen interest in the Turkana oil basin.
We have a fantastic base in Turkana in Kenya and in Ethiopia, from which we have increased the scope of our work, as one can see from the recent results. And we've also identified numerous opportunities for acquisition throughout the region.
The company is also hunting for opportunities in the geothermal and infrastructure development, both in Kenya and the wider East African region. Charles Gitonga, KTN.